Section 6.1, Part 1 is called the Law of Sines. The goal for this lesson is for you to use the law of sines to solve oblique triangles and to solve some real-life problems using the law of sines where appropriate. So first, let's start with what an oblique triangle is. It's just a triangle that isn't a right triangle. And if you remember, by definition of sine, cosine, tangent, those were only supposed to be applied to right triangles. So this lesson is about how to extend that concept into triangles that aren't right triangles. So let's get started. For the warm-up, let's draw a triangle that is fairly clearly obtuse. So I'm going to draw kind of an obtuse angle there at the top. So this is an example of an oblique triangle. And then let's kind of remember some notation. In geometry, we use uppercase letters to represent points. So I'm going to call that point up there at the top, point A. And then this is point B, and this is point C. And then a convention that you'll see we take advantage of in this lesson and from here on out is that the side length opposite angle A, we will call lowercase a. Similarly, the side length opposite angle B, we would call lowercase b. And the side length opposite angle C, we would call side length C with a lowercase. So side lengths will be lowercase letters and points or angles will be uppercase letters. Okay, so with that said, what I'd like for you to think about between now and the next video is, given this triangle, let's drop an altitude from point A down to side length A. And let's name that length H there. And what I'd like for you to do is figure out an expression for the sine of angle B based on this figure, and then figure out an expression for the sine of angle C based on this figure. All right, see how it goes, and then we'll check in the next video.